profession which has now turned into a business. The profession which has started in South Mumbai has today spread all over Mumbai. But have you ever tried to find out, has anyone tried to find out the reason why they are in this business? The reason why they are suffering? No. But we have gone to the efforts of trying to find out their true lives, their true personalities, their dreams, their ambitions. The reason why they are in this business, by force or by free will. We will find out that the real persons inside the mask they have been hiding in so many long years. So let's start with the interview. Me Akshay. Interview. And how should we expect an interview? None of them are ready to talk with us. None of them are ready to face the camera. And why should they? Any publicity to them means a negative publicity. Anything can stop this profession of theirs. Their stomachs depend on this profession. Many of them have entered against their free will. They were forced to enter into this profession. They do this for their children. They told us that their children's fees are paid by this profession only. The cute children even don't know the names of their father. And how will they? Their stomachs depend on this profession. They have to do this for themselves and their children. This take right over here is the place where they carry out their profession. Sometimes they have to tend to sometimes 10 customers a day, and that's really not a joke.
We are sitting in a hotel opposite to the lane where they carry out their profession.
हाँ तो क्या बोल रही थी तू उम्र क्या? We escaped from there somehow, and you could see clearly that girls of minor ages are sold over there. Prostitutes are classified according to their rates. Age plays an important criteria in classifying them according to their rates. Lower the age, higher the price. They are sold in the open market in the flesh trade, and no one accepts them back. No one is ready to marry them. They have to bear children. This is done by free will, by forced behavior. But what about those who do it for pocket money? What about those college students who do it just for time pass, just to earn money, so that they can support their luxurious lifestyles? Even people from decent backgrounds enter this profession just for satisfying themselves, satisfying their cause. What about them? What about those who come from a decent background and yet they buy prostitutes? We agree that prostitutes visit medical centers and health checkups, but still there is no chance that they will escape the HIV virus. They visit the health clinics once a month, but in those months, surely one of them will die of HIV. And when they come to know about this HIV, they don't stop over there. They have to support their stomachs, their children, their families. They continue with the prostitution, infecting more millions of such people. Now let's talk with the people living in that area, the common people living in that area. तो आपको कैसा लगता है कि आप इस एरिया में रह रहे हो, कि कुछ अच्छा लगता है कि बुरा रहता है?
वो अच्छा भी है बुरा भी है।
अच्छा क्यों?
अच्छा इसके लिए अगर कोई लेडीज़ रात 1 या 1:30 बजे के बाद आती है तो कोई पराया मर्द उसे छेड़ नहीं सकता, क्योंकि वो भी लेडीज़ होने के कारण सब मारने को उठते हैं।
और कोई अभी तक कोई ऐसा केस ऐसा
कुछ नहीं। और बुरा इसके लिए लगता है कि ये एरिया अच्छा है, हमारे एरिया में ऐसा गंदा लगता है।
Thank you. They are like us, just like you, me, and everyone. They are ordinary people, just hiding behind that mask.